Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, Duluth, Minnesota. Pop-up tents have been coming in, getting you ready because these are the early season kind of campers. So this is the 228MT. So we'll get you on the outside, we'll get you inside, we'll see what you think. Right away, I want to kind of show you this sweet new change, or it's new to me, I haven't seen this, but this really cool cargo area right up front. Just imagine all the stuff you can store right up here, putting some bikes, outdoor gear, anything like that right up on this rack, be able to lock it down. You got these bars, so really cool spot right here for you. This is the crank up for the tongue jack, but this one has a power up and down, so be able to pop up the tent and everything with just a power jack right here for you. Also, you got your nice little power cord holder, chain holder up off the dirt, which is pretty cool. Two 20-pound LP tanks on here where we're going to fill for you, and then we'll throw your battery into the battery box that's right behind this right now. Got a water heater on here, so this does have a little sink and stuff on the inside, so we'll show you more of that when we get in there. This one also does have a little shower and toilet, little cassette toilet shower, but you do have hot and cold water outside as well. City water connections, furnace output on the back side, so all that stuff right in one convenient location for you. Really like that. Tuck around, you do have a spare tire on board here for you. As you can see, this door is kind of like just hanging here, but this is where you're going to store this door back here. So during travel, you'll have that door on here, and then this big screen door and stuff comes down, so you'll be able to take this, pop it out, and that's where you'll store it back there. Here's that cassette toilet, so just be able to pop this out, drain it in any like porta potty, maybe a gas station, or just walk it over to the dump station at the campground. So really convenient little 5-gallon porta potty like that. Then you also have some power and stuff, plugs right out front as well. Nice aluminum wheels, blacked out wheels on here. Really like the look of those, filled with nitrogen. And then this one does come with an awning. So it's not a power awning, it's just an awning in a bag. And it's gonna have a couple support posts that you'll be able to put into the dirt. So they are spraying some stuff down outside, so apologize if that is a little noisy, so we'll sneak in right away into the camper here. A lot of great space in a little pop-up like this. Really starts expanding and folding out into a lot of really usable space. 2 big beds on either side. Both these mattresses will have plugs, so they have little heaters in the mattresses. They'll come with little fans that you can put in the ceiling, so you have little, airflow. Notice all the windows with curtains over all there for privacy, but you could really start opening these up and get a lot of, air in here. And then do notice that they're kind of tinted, so kind of help keep down on the heat and everything in here as well. So here's that sink. Like I said, hot and cold water. Got a little furnace in here, nice little small fridge for the beverages, pull-out drawers for storage. Again, it's a pop-up camper, so something really small that expands into something really large. Gets you off the ground from tenting, a lot easier to set up than the tents, and can house a lot more people as well. And then gives you a little bit more amenities than what tents do, because you got your max air fan right up top to circulate a lot of air, move air around. You got a furnace in here. You got a little AC in here, so a lot of stuff to move around. Here's that toilet. So again, you got a little shower space in here. You got your toilet on the cassette. Up in the ceiling here, you can see these tracks, so it'll be a little shower curtain. So if you did want to take a shower in here, you have the capabilities to do that. Little countertops, little kind of storage drawers everywhere. You got power, you got storage in here. Over on this side, and then it's a little countertop again. More cabinets. Then way down below, you'll see there's power, there's USB, there's USB-C, all that good stuff. Coming around to this side, now we have this drop down, just because, like I said, we're gonna have to pop this tent down and bring it back outside. but this will pop up for a nice little seating area, play some cards or do things like that. If it is raining outside, you can come back inside and have the space to do that. Otherwise, laying this down for a sleeper. You got the little couch right here, and then there is a little piece that we can do. You can slide this down. You kind of gotta really move. Once you slide everything down, I mean, it gets pretty tight, but again, at the end of the night, you can really start sleeping a whole crew in here. So sliding this out to be able to sleep more people in here, which is really nice. Again, sleep over here. Like I said, these mattresses all have plugs, so these are a little bit of a heated mattress. So again, with it being a tent, not the hard-sided, so if it's a little cooler in the beginning of the season, or if you're trying to get those last couple camping sessions in throughout the year, and it gets a little cooler at night, you got a nice heated mattress in here, which is going to be great for you. But again, I mean, lights, what more do you need? You got lights, fans, heaters, bathroom, running water, all that stuff inside the tent camper here. So again, my name is Kyle Dittman. I'm up here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, helps you guys out. We really appreciate you watching. Our open house is coming up here February 7th. So we're going to be running for a week. We do lunch. We got beverages. Last year we had 70 units inside. So definitely come check us out. It is free to come. Bring the family, bring the friends. Give me a call. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, it's just a fun time for everybody. So again, as always, we really appreciate you guys watching. So thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.